Hi everyone, welcome to Center of Balance Live. I'm Szenan Phua from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Now, in this today's Saturday, happy Saturday. This is the last live video of this week. The topic we're going to talk about is the top diet, for joint pain. So, what is the top diet for joint pain? I reckon it is vegan diet, vegetarian diet. Okay. Now the reason I said that is because I've seen so many people, so many cases that in my clinic that recover by or they get much better by just changing diet. Okay. So this is huge. Okay. I have patients come to me, so they have joint pain, and I always ask diet. We ask them to fill in the form, and my patient, some of them change the diet, and I ask them, "What is your diet?" If they changing diet and get better in pain, not just joint pain, but particularly joint pain. Okay. If they have a new diet and they've been trying for years or for a couple of months and they feel better, and I always ask, now, what is your diet? What do you eat? So you feel better. And they come in for joint pain because they want to get further. The diet, the new diet that they've been and give them much relief, and they want to get even better. So they come in to see me. Always. 100%, all of them, they say they are on gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan diet. Or they say I'm vegetarian. That's why I get much better. Well, this is great, isn't it? This is great news. Okay. So I learned it from my patient too, because I don't suffer from joint pain. So although I'm vegan, okay, I'm vegan for many, many years, coming up to 13 years, So, but I don't have the experience of vegan give me joint pain free. I don't have it. But my patient actually tell me all this information. So let me realize that I'm vegan. It's a good diet. I'm on the right diet. Okay. Therefore, I get more confidence to introduce vegan diet, vegetarian diet to my patient. All right. So yes, if you suffer from joint pain, consider vegan diet. Hey, I didn't make it up. Okay. This is what I see, what I heard in my clinic from my patient, the experience from my patient. Then what happened is, are there any books about it? Yes, there are a lot of books about it. This is good news, isn't it? So knowledge is powerful. You want to have this knowledge. You don't want to just listen to me and I say this diet is good, and then you go back and then, well, as soon as you finish it, check out all your meat in your fridge and you think, wow, this is good. I want to change. I'll tell you, it won't last you long because you don't have the knowledge. You don't know how it works. So don't just listen to me. Find some book. So the first book I want to introduce to you is the China Study. The China Study. Okay. The second book I want to introduce to you is the Forks Over Knives. No, when you eat, you use forks and knife, right? Forks over knife. Okay, those are the two books talk about diet, vegan diet, and how great is vegan diet, and do you actually get nutrition from vegan diet? Will most people worry about protein. Where do you get protein from vegan diet? I need meat to get vegan diet, and I need iron for meat. And funny enough is, one of the doctor MD and said, Well, basically, if you just eat broccoli and you got enough protein, daily protein intake, can you believe it? Just broccoli. But he said, I'm not suggesting you just take broccoli. You need to take a lot different variety of vegetable. And think about it. You want to get protein from meat. From meat, right? Where do cow or sheep or chicken get their protein? From the plant. So why don't we just eat plant and we can get all the protein? And think about it. Have you ever met the bodybuilder? You know, they build the body, build the muscle, you know, and they eat a lot of meat and they have to have eggs, you know, get protein, all this thing. But they have a lot of protein powder. Do you know what the protein powder made of? It's not for meat. When I look at the protein powder, it's all based on plant. That's funny, isn't it? All the protein powder is based on plant. Soya. Soya is just a type of protein, okay? Don't just think about protein is all about tofu and soya products. It's not. That's just part. It's just one of them. One of the source from a lot rich of protein, okay? And iron. When they said about vegetarian and vegan, and you worry about iron, but I want to tell you something that is truth. When my patient have low iron, they walk in, they say retired. I said, well, go and get a blood test or an iron test, and they came in, they have low iron. And what do they eat? I said, are you vegetarian? Are you vegan? None of them are vegan or vegetarian. Why is that? Because what happened is the real reason that most people have low iron is not because the food quality hasn't got enough iron. It's because your stomach and spleen, you have stomach and spleen problem. You know, you can't absorb the iron properly. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is a big one. I have patient have red meat just about every day. He said, I have red meat for months, and I still suffer from iron. And they give them iron infusion, or they give them, the doctor give them iron tablet, and iron tablet make them constipation or diarrhea or stomach pain. So they refuse to take it, or they take it, or they refuse to take it because they give the stomach symptoms. You see what I mean? It's not because the food that you get not enough iron. It's because your stomach and spleen can't absorb. The digestion is not good. So therefore, you need acupuncture. You need you need you need Chinese herbs to boost up your recover or restoring your organs function. Goodness, how are you? Vegan diet is the best thing ever. Nothing is lost by not eating meat. If we just take time to learn about our fruit and vegetable, 100% right. I 100% agree with you. 100% agree with you. Now, think about iron. Where do you get iron? The truth is, the animals, chicken, sheep, lamb, cow, in their body, they don't produce iron. They take the plant, and the plant got iron. Where's the iron from? The plant, where the plant get iron is from the ground. Everything's from the ground. So you just directly take plant-based diet, and you will get the nutrition, protein, whatever you need. Okay. This is so truth. I want to tell you this. Okay, the best diet for joint pain. What is the best diet for joint pain? Vegan diet, vegetarian diet. Okay, why do I say that? Because I've seen a lot. I've seen a lot of cases. Right. Part of the reason, one of them, is if we look at the acetylene, so meat, our blood is about one is acid, one is alkaline, right? Acetylene and alkaline. When we stay in the middle, okay, 7.24 or 7.2 something, okay, and slightly toward to alkaline, slightly toward to alkaline. If too acidic, it will go that way. Okay, so you eat a lot of meat, or even if you vegetable, if you have a lot of greasy stuff or deep fried stuff, that's gonna bring your body environment to acidity. Okay, even your vegan diet, you want to eat plant-based whole food, and this is very important. Okay, Glenna says on Facebook, thank you for sharing. My acupuncture session today was absolutely amazing, and I'm still feeling pain-free. You are so awesome, Szenan. Thank you. That's great. One of the reasons that you get very so, goodness, you want to test out. You know, the acupuncture worked well for you today, right? So the next thing you want to test out and see how long does it last. And I can tell you, you will last much longer. The result will last much longer than other patients. Why am I saying that? Because you're a vegan diet already. You so many years of vegan diet. So let's talk about why some patients on vegan diet already before they come to see me and they still have pain. They still have pain, okay? And the pain sometimes comes very bad and sometimes very good. But compare with before that you are eating meat, okay? Think about it. Compare with before. A lot of patients come to me when they become vegan already and they become vegetarian. They say they still complain pain in the joint, and ask them, and they most of them tell me that they felt much better already. I said, why is that? Because I changed my diet. Now the question is, why you change your diet and you on a vegan diet and you feel better, but not completely better. Sometimes it get worse, sometimes it get better, but it's much better than before you change the diet, right? Why is that? Okay, here is the reason why you get better, but not completely better. It's because your stomach and spleen functions. When it's good, because stomach and spleen control muscle strength. When your stomach functions good, then your muscle has a lot more strength to hold your body, to support you do your daily activity. And you still move, you still work every day, right? You still use every day, and you need to hold up your full body weight, right? If any day that your stomach function is getting a bit lower, okay, then what happened is that then your muscle strength will get lower, so you start to get pain, right? So our idea is, if you change your diet to plant-based is much easier to digest. Now look, let's see. If I give you broccoli and meat, would you be able to tell me which one is easier to digest? Which one you need to use more effort to digest it? Meat. You need more time, and your stomach need to need need to do harder. I mean, put more effort, spend more time, get more energy, use up more energy to digest meat than broccoli. All right? So by eating broccoli, plant-based, you get less energy to digest. You're much easier to digest. So you save up the energy when you finish the digestion, and your stomach have more time to rest. This is important. This is why when you take less time to digest, then your stomach have more energy in it. Then this energy can go to support your muscle. So your muscle have more strength. But I have to tell you one thing is, because you suffer from pain for a long time, and your stomach is being weak, when you change your diet, you will feel significant better. But you can't get all better. Why is that? Because the function of your stomach and spleen are still low. Then you need something to boost up recover your stomach and spleen function. You see what I mean? So changing diet is a must. It will help you get better. Okay. Then further on is get acupuncture or Chinese herbs to help to boost up your stomach and spleen function. Therefore, when your stomach and spleen function is strong, get normal again, then you'll be able to digest food properly. Then you'll find that your pain, the result lasts longer. That's number one. And eventually you will have no pain. This is what we aim for. Okay. Clinics say I eat a lot of spinach and silver beets for iron. That's great. They're good. Yeah, very good. Okay, this is let's have a look. This is so joint pain. I have another patient. It's funny. She's Cambodian. It's 80 something. Okay. Once she came into our clinic, it was a few years ago. Okay. And then she came in for shoulder pain, and we treat her. Instant relief. She was very happy, and after about 6 treatment, and she walked out clinic, didn't come back because it was all good. Then last year she came to my clinic and she asked me, she wants some acupuncture done for her shoulder and knee. And last time she had knee pain as well, and very weak knee. Both joints are weak, and shoulder pain as well. So I put some needle on, and she got good results. We leave, and then come back 2 days, and they say, oh, the next morning pain came back. It didn't last very long, and still the same. I say, oh, okay, let's try it again. We keep going for about 3 treatment. Okay, and then she went back. She went to Australia for visit in Australia, and then she came back after 2 weeks, and all the pain went worse. And I sit down and I talk to her and say, well, look, this pain is a bit different with a few years ago when you came in. Because a few years ago when we did acupuncture, the result lasts longer and you only need 6 treatment and everything's okay, all good. But now you're getting older, right? We all do. No one's getting younger. Now we test out the acupuncture. It still worked well, but the next morning the pain all came back. And when you went to Australia and you came back, everything got worse, even worse. I said, remember that in the first initial examination, I told you, I suggest that because I can, with the pulse in the tongue, I detected your stomach and spleen are weak. Therefore, I think you should change your diet. Because I've seen a lot of people change their diet and the joint pain get better. Of course, she didn't hear me. She didn't understand why I say that, because a few years ago, there was only acupuncture without changing any diet, she got all better. And now, because the acupuncture still work well, but it doesn't last that long, you know, quickly the pain returned to how it was, and now it's even worse. So I sit down and I talk to her son, and her son translated into Korean to her mom. I said, "Well, tell me, when you went to Australia, what did you eat?" It's all about meat. It's all about meat. Then I said, "Well, give it a try. Just plant-based, no meat, and see what happens. You know, there's no harm to try." So I put needle. It works very well. As good as you feel it today, we put needle in, and how did you feel? You feel good, right? There was hardly any pain afterward. That was good because we have very good technique. And I would like to introduce acupuncture, some of acupuncture technique one day. Okay. Then this patient came back after 4 days. Okay, we went to a weekend, and then she came back, and she was laughing when she walked into the clinic. Then I was I wasn't sure what's going on. I asked his son. His son was laughing too. I said, "What's going on?" I said, "How's your mom's pain in the shoulder and knees?" And he said, "There was no pain. There wasn't any pain." I said, "What have you done? How come there's no pain? Because each time when you come back, you complain, pain came back again." And his son just laughed and laughed. And his son told me that because when mom went home, that after the last acupuncture, the last 4 days, no meat, just plant-based diet. I said, "Wow, that's fantastic. What is that?" It's not because the acupuncture deliver the lasting result. It's the acupuncture boosts up the organs, and she got pain relief in the first place, and then she refused the meat. The acid refill acid into her body because high acid cause pain, and she just keep on plant-based diet. Then that made a big difference. She didn't get any pain for 4 days, which when she keep her old diet, we did acupuncture, get good result. The pain only lasts until next morning, just overnight, and the pain came back. Now with a good diet, 4 days, no pain. I said, "That's great." I said, "Now you've done your own test, and you need to listen to your own body. Not even listen to me, listen to your own body." I said, "How about the weakness in your knees?" She said, "Good, good string on knee." You see, even boost up the string of her knee. She was keep complaining that her knee was too weak. You see what I mean in here is I really believe in vegan diet because it bring all my patients. Those patients have gut problem, his stomach and spleen problem. When they change the diet, it really boosts up the strength of the muscle, and it really reduce the pain for them, and it really help my acupuncture result last even longer. Can I say I'm very happy to share my vegan recipe. There are many people from all walks of life that are vegan and stay healthy. Yeah, fantastic. Now, clinics, if you have any nice and delicious vegan recipe, I hope share in our group, you know? So because I would like more and more people and share the information in our Facebook page. Now, on YouTube and Instagram, if you would like to join our Facebook, uh, you just search Center of Balance. Go to Facebook and search Center of Balance, Hamilton in Cambridge, Acupuncture Clinic, something like that, and then join in. All right, we welcome you, anyone that join into our Facebook group. Okay, so we can discuss further. That's it. This is for today. I'm going to temple tomorrow for my Sunday. This is my activities, and on Sunday, spend my a day in temple and learn some truth and learn some life. So I never stop learning. Every Sunday I go to temple and learn. All right. So this is something. What do you do on Sunday? So comment down here and let us know what do you do, and let us know what have you tried for your pain, for your joint pains. Okay. Would you consider to change your diet to help yourself? Give it a try. I'm not 100% and guarantee you when you change your diet, you will get better or you will feel different, because if your joint pain is not from the diet, you may feel any different. But I would tell you, most of joint pain are related to diet. Okay, if your joint pain are more related to stress, then you have to de-stress, because that is the most thing that would help you. But I still support a vegan diet, because the good environment in your gut and good environment in your blood, you heal better. Okay. Thank you, Glennis, and being here with me. Thank you for all your valuable advice. No problem. Happy to share. Sharing is caring. So I care about you. So if you need any help, uh, if you suffer from joint pain and you're not sure what to do, or you change your diet and you still feel pain and you got better, any method that you've been using and you got better, and you want us to help you and get you further, you're welcome to call us 07846 795 6 846 07846 7956 7957. I think can't remember my phone number, but you can Google it, right? So we offer pre-assessment. So up to 15 minutes is free. So you're welcome to come in to talk to us. It's all totally free, and the pre-assessment we can give you a quick assessment and to see whether we can help you or not. All right. So that's it. Good night and stay awesome and have a great weekend. And I'll see you next Tuesday. And I love you all. See you. Bye bye.